Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer flashcard techniques with Anki, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, download and install Anki from the official website. Launch the Anki application on your device. Create a new deck for your flashcards by clicking on the Create Deck button. Title your deck according to the subject you are studying. Select your newly created deck and click on Add to start adding flashcards. In the front field, input the question or concept you want to remember. In the back field, provide the answer or explanation related to the front content. Utilize the formatting options to highlight important terms or concepts, if necessary. To further enhance your flashcard techniques, incorporate images or audio clips relevant to your content. Adjust the settings for card review by clicking on options within your deck. Customize the card study options to match your learning style and to efficiently manage your flashcards, regularly review and update the content based on your progress. Use tags for your flashcards to organize them by topic or difficulty level. Practice spaced repetition by reviewing the flashcards as recommended by Anki's algorithms. Track your progress by monitoring the statistics provided by Anki after each study session. Incorporate feedback from your study sessions to refine and improve your flashcards over time. Explore additional plugins that can enhance your Anki experience, such as gamification tools or advanced image handling. Adjust the card layout and appearance to suit your preferences, ensuring comfortable readability. Finally, make memory retention a priority by consistently engaging with your flashcards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.